Hello students, in this video let us study the concept of output devices. In the last video we discussed input devices. An input device is used to feed data into a computer. The human understandable form is converted into machine understandable form. The input devices are keyboard, mouse, OCR, OMR, MICR, joystick, etc. What do you mean by output devices? Processed data can be displayed on output devices called as output. Output is the result or information that is obtained after processing. The information must be present in the human understandable form is capable of presenting information onto the output devices. Output devices convert information into human readable form. It can be text, graphics, audio, video, etc. I mean to say a device like monitor, printer, which help us to give output to the user. There are varieties of output devices are there. The important output devices are microphone, webcam, monitor, printer, speaker, etc. Let me discuss one by one output devices. Monitor. It is a commonly used output device, sometimes called as display screen or video. Video stands for Visual Display Unit. Monitors are similar to a television set. Monitor displays image and text. The smallest dot that can be displayed on the monitor is called as a pixel. See, the smallest dot that can be seen in the monitor, it is called as a pixel. The resolution of the monitor determines the quality of the graphics. Some popular resolutions are 640 into 480 pixel, 800 into 600 pixels and 1024 into 768 pixels. Different types of monitors are there. First one is the CRT monitor. CRT stands for cathode ray tube. It is a traditional type monitor. It contains glass screen and it looks like a television set. These monitors employ CRT technology, which was used most commonly in the manufacturing of TV screen. LCD. LCD stands for liquid crystal display. LCD incorporates one of the newer flatter type of computer screen. TFT. Thin film transistor. A thin film transistor display is a variant of a liquid crystal display that uses thin film transistor technology to improve image qualities such as addressability and contrast. LED, light emitting diode. The main difference between LED and LCD monitor is the black light. LED monitor to use light emitting diodes as black light, while LCD monitors use cold cathode fluorescent lamps. Because of that, LEDs use less power. Next output device is the printer. Printer. It is an output device that prints text or images on paper. There are different kinds of printers are there, which vary in their speed and print quality. See, soft copy and hard copy. What do you mean by soft copy? The programs and data present on the memory is called as a soft copy. The data we are storing in your pen drive or in your memory card, it is called as a soft copy. The data and program present on a paper, the printout, it is called as a hard copy. Printers are classified into two types, impact printer and non-impact printer. Impact printers are line printer, dot matrix printer. Non-impact printers are inkjet printer, laser printer, thermal printer. Impact printer. It includes printer that print by striking device against ink ribbon. Line printer and dot matrix printers are some of the impact printers. What are the characteristics of impact printer? In impact printer, there is a physical contact with the paper to produce an image. It is useful for bulk printing. It prints multiple copies at a time. It produces noisy. It is slow compared to non-impact printer. It do not support transparencies. It is measured with CPS, characters per second. Example, line printer. Since the name only tells that line printer, it prints line at a time. It is a high-speed printer. A line printer can print 150 lines to 3000 lines per minute. It cannot print graphics. The print quality is low and they are noisy to operate. It can print large volume of text data very fast. Dot matrix printer. The most popular serial printer is the dot matrix printer. It prints one line of 8 or 14 points at a time. It prints the points. They are slow. The printing speed is around 300 characters per second. It uses multi-part stationery to prepare copies of a document. Non-impact printer. Non-impact printer don't use striking device. Impact printers are using striking devices, but non-impact printer do not use striking device. It is much faster and print color, different font and size also. Impact printers cannot print graphics, but non-impact printer print color graphics. What are the characteristics of non-impact printers? They possess the ability to change typeface automatically. High quality graphics. Support the transparencies. Impact printer does not support the transparencies. It supports the non-impact printers supports the transparencies. The speed is calculated by the number of pages per minute. In impact printer, it is measured with the character per second, but here it is measured with the pages per minutes. Thermal printer. It is the type of non-impact printer. Thermal printers are printers that produce images by pulling electricity heated pins against special heat sensitive paper. It is inexpensive. It produces a poor quality print. Laser printer. Laser printer uses a laser beam and dry powered ink to produce a fine dot matrix pattern. These are typically faster and have better quality output. Inkjet printer. Inkjet printers are color cartridge with combines magenta, yellow, cyan inks to create colored tones. It prints one line at a time. Print quality is high. Speed is slow, typically about 100 characters per second. Next output device is the plotter. What is this plotter? Plotter is an output device that draws shapes on paper based on commands from a computer. Plotter differs from printer in that they draw lines using a pen. Multicolor plotters use different colored pen to draw different colors. Plotters are more expensive than printer. These are used in engineering applications. Speaker. The sound signals from analog or digital are converted into audible frequency in the speaker and produces voice output. Voice output has become very common in many places like airlines, bank, automatic telephone enquiry system, etc. Speakers are used in bank, airlines, automatic enquiry system. The user can also hear music or songs using the voice output system like speaker. In this video, we discussed output devices, monitor, types of monitor, printer, types of printer, plotter and speaker.